Yeah, we went so long. I could. God bless the Lord.
Wait, are we talking about like the nurse versus trainer something? That one? I mean, I already have context about it.
I mean, same. Because I'm friends with the nurse. Or like, I'm so confused what was being dropped with everything. So I'm reading the whole thing.
Wait, are you like close friends with the girl or like friends or like you just know?
Friends with benefit.
Friends cause like connections lang. Like I'm close friends with someone she's close friends with. So parang we just became
Okay, so technically, what you call it? Someone who you just know, not you're not like the one you would consider like as your friend or something.
I think friend because we're in a GC where we just spread like drama.
Mm.
I guess friend in that aspect.
Yeah, actually, we do have tissues here. You can go ahead and check out my yellow card. You can go ahead and check out the tissues. Yeah,
No,
yeah, because Astria is having difficulties. It's not having some troubles. I don't know. Don't mind us, Astria, if Francis if he's born in the US, that's why.
Okay, but like I've been in the Philippines since like 9 years old or some shit. I just really suck at Tagalog. But I can kaya ko mag-usap, no? Kaya ko makipag-usap in Tagalog. Pero it's like really slow lang. Like super mabagal lang.
No one's judging.
Yeah,
Of
yeah.
course.
Ganyan din ako, friends, nung kaka-uwi ko lang ng Pinas.
I true. The
Yeah,
problem is, I've been here for so long. I don't know. It's so hard for me.
I mean, you stayed you grew up in the Philippines when you were 9 years old, right?
Yeah.
So it only makes sense that you grew up in the US for like 9 years. So technically, like you grew up.
Lala.
You grew up with the sense of you. I mean, you adapted the American, way American things, American slangs. So that's why when you got or you lived here in the Philippines when you were 9, so technically, you're not
Judge pa yung buhok.
like
Fuck, bro.
like you're not desensitized with things and shits.
Pero nakakaintindi ba yan ng Tagalog?
Yeah.
Nakakaintindi ko ng Tagalog.
Ah,
Pero siya, nahihirapan lang siya He's,
Parang imagine lang when
hindi niya ma-express yung sarili niya sa Tagalog.
I think-
Na ganun, yung ganun kabihasa katulad natin.
normal lang din yan eh.
eh.
Kasi 9 years siya dun sa Amerika. Tapos dun siya lumaki.
Oo.
Kailangan.
Kaya sabi ko, it's normal.
Sabi niya normal pag sa akin, tangina.
Hindi, ba't ito ba ino?
Fuck, bro.
Ilang years ka ba sa
Ikaw ba
Amerika, Ino?
Elementary. Bago dito na ako nag-high school.
So, like, ilang years ka doon?
Hindi ko usap.
Ano rin, 7 to 8.
7 to 8. Pero
Ito kasi
unang,
yan.
first language mo, Tagalog ba?
English. Mother tongue ko talaga
English.
English.
Paano yan?
Dito lang ako naging kupal-kupal. Kasi, nung pag-high school ko, pinaka private school. Pero yung private school, parang siya, public na, talagang, alam mo yung bully kong bully, gano'n.
Baka ano din?
Mas maraming kupal sa ano.
Tsaka ko lang ipagsantukan. Tapos makipagsantukan ko nga, gano'n.
Baka iba-iba din talaga yung tao.
Kasi nadap ni Franz yung American culture.
So,
It's like when I went to Philippines, parang I was still enrolled in like international school, and then when I went to college, I was still surrounded by foreigners.
Kaya
Ang
pala.
international school pa pinasukan mo.
No, it was like, it was like a private, non-traditional. Well, it just so happens that like most of the students were
Kaya, Manila. Manila ba or province?
no, in QC, parang in San Juan.
QC, around QC. Of course, maraming dyan. Maraming tawag dito, foreigners. Parang international school din kasi schools QC.
Parang like legit coincidence, because like yung batch ko in grade school to high school, we're full of international students. Pero the lower batch and the higher batches, they don't have that much international students naman. So parang legit pure coincidence lang.
And ganun. Hindi pa sabihin coincidence, pero yung kahit ano. Parang clock pop.
Okay.
Pero friends, nagsisisi ka ba ba't umuwi ka ng Pilipinas?
Yun gago. Although, wait, have I not mentioned the reason I went back here? I went back here because my mom said, because I have a half sister, like different dads. And so parang my mom just wanted to reunite me with my sister, in which we reunited. But it just so happens, like, we have a really big age gap. So parang I was grade school, she was college already. So when I was high school, parang she was starting her own family now. So I mean, we're close, but like it just saw like she has her own place now, and so I had to end up living on my own rent again. Blah blah.
Masaya naman, masaya.
I mean, yeah, I could just go out whenever I want to.
Sa ibang bansa, single year sa ibang bansa, when you turn 18, like, kailangan mo na maging kailangan mo na maging independent.
Pero yung there kasi diba, parang in US, you had to take out loans and everything. Pero here kasi like, medyo gifted by my mom, so provided.
So, nag-aaral ako, Diyos ko. Pero pagbubulak-bul. Hindi naging mabuting ehemplo.
Kailan kayo natin makakasama si Fran sa gala?
Guys, to be fair, not
Parang ako ayaw mo ako makasama.
not now or like next week. Pero I told Arby naman, G ako willing nga to go to Pampanga to try the sisig. Because they said daw, super good daw ng sisig sa Pampanga. That's okay.
Totoo naman, maganda si Isis.
Yeah. Because like, for example,
Right lang kasi yan.
I'm so sick na kasi of like, yung mga aya na like tags or like Laguna, like basta yung mga basic, because it's like repetitive na. But like Pampanga sounds very unique. No hate. Pero I've been to it once na.
Malapit ng Pampanga. Malapit ng Pampanga.
Yeah. It's close lang to me because I live up north.
Dito kayo dumayo sa Antipolo.
Gago, my sister lives there. She lives in I forgot her village name, pero let me search for it.
Kaya dito.
Ayun, binigay mo address, hindi pinuntahan ni Ino.
I'm just gonna describe the village kasi I want people to look.
Yun lang ka binigay sa akin.
Uy, binigyan pa akong Master River Course.
Hindi lang ikaw na eh.
Ay! Babawas pa kaya kayo sa ukong?
Tahimik ni Alo. Wala kasi si Ale.
Yan po yan?
Sino?
Si Ale.
Si Ablo.
Ale ba yun? Ale? Oo.
Si Ali.
Ali. Ah, Ali.
Kasi Ali,
Ang kinakala ko si Alo ay yung sinasabi mo. Sinabihan ko pang tahimik talaga yun si Aso doon. Sorry.
Si Alu, tahimik ba yan? Alu cake? Maingay naman yan eh.
pero baka gusto mo nga mag-avail ng supporter badge.
Crazy.
Di ba, friend?
Because of Cosmo-san Cafe, I ended up figuring out that whole video.
Wait, so curious, how did you end up knowing these kids?
We're all pilots.
Pilots, okay.
Piloto
So
ko
you were playing League way back then.
Yeah, before pa.
Before.
Pero, the village is called Valley View. That's actually